Motorcycling is an intense sport that's mostly sweaty, tiring, and drains your body. To help keep you fresh and comfortable through the day, we made performance-based layers that are perfect, not only for motorcycling, but for all outdoor sports. These base layers are made from a stretchable, breathable, and durable fabric. A second skin that wicks sweat away to keep your body cool and protects you from harmful UV rays. The antibacterial and anti-odor properties help you keep smelling fresh even after a full day in the sun. The four-way stretchable fabric offers a compression fit, giving you complete freedom of movement. We also made the base layers quick drying, so they'll always be ready to roll when you want. Presenting the all-new Vapour Pro base layers. Made for motorcycling, perfect for all sports. Performance base layer, upper performance base layer, lower performance base layer, performance balaclava.